But you fail.
Oh no! Is there anything I can do? Can I try again?
You know what? I'll ask you a question. If you can answer this one right, I'll let you pass.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, listen carefully.
Alright.
There's an old man and there's a young kid at the light. So what do you hear first?
The old man, suppose, because the young kid has the whole life.
No! You hit the brakes!
How you pull me over because I'm black?
It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Everyone is black.
Watch my knife and let me go back.
Just found out that men don't shave their buttholes.
He who cleans his house expects visitors back.
Working out with the stretch band. Oh.
Turn to the person next to you and say, I am beautiful.
Oh, you shouldn't lie at church.
Yes, I'm Chinese. 你好吗？靠你吗？
你是到那新中下世做事做到最得大呀，做嘢做天下做最大呀。
I'm not Chinese. That's stupid Chinese.
Because you're stupid.
I am stupid.
Yes.
No.
Alright, so you have to stick your finger in here.
No, she's...
Whoa. I'm just about to go way down. Whoa, 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 whoa,
Camera recording.
I was just joking. Hello, hi. Are y'all home? Oh man? Okay. Bye.
No, this is how you teach a bird how to fly, 101. Now, first you want to take it. You don't want to scare its gentle little feathers. It's a beautiful little creature. You want to gently just toss it so it gets the feeling of what aerodynamics are. And now, you did not make it the header. I had to have more motion, more... And now handle loss.
Oh! Oh! The cat's got it!